Start. Sir, in our constitution, we have guaranteed certain rights, and the fundamental rights that are made available to the citizens in India are provided in part 3rd of our constitution. What are the rights that are made available to the citizens? They are the right to equality before law, right to freedom of speech and expression, to assemble peacefully and without arms, to form association or unions, to move freely throughout the territory of India, to reside and settle in any part of the territory of India, and to practice any profession or to carry on any occupation, trade or business. And there are certain other rights which are made available to the citizens of India. If we study and examine these rights, I am constrained to say that these rights can be enjoyed by those people who are rich or those people who are having enough to exist on. These rights unfortunately cannot be enjoyed by the poor people. In the other constitutions of the world, there are certain other fundamental rights made available, and those rights are rights to existence itself. Para. It is not mentioned in those constitutions that the right to existence is made available to citizens, but under different headings those rights are made available. The right to work is made available, the right to shelter is made available, the right to education is made available, the right to medical assistance is made available. These kinds of rights are made available to the citizens in some countries of the world. If we study the American Constitution, these kinds of rights are not made available to the citizens in the American Constitution. The rights which can be enjoyed by the well-to-do people are available in the American Constitution, but the right which can be enjoyed by the poor people are not made available in the American Constitution. The right to work is not made available to the citizens in America, in spite of the fact that even in America there is unemployment. America is a very vast country having huge resources and very limited population, yet the right to work is not made available to the citizens in America. There are so many socialist countries in the world, and in almost all socialist countries the right to work is guaranteed. In China, the right to work is also made available to the citizens. The new Soviet constitution has gone a step ahead and says that the right to work of the choice of the man who wants to work is available to the citizens. Stop.